got the van all packed up. We're doing a benefit tomorrow for the local elementary school. There's gonna be an acoustic guitar player, an auctioneer, and a couple of videos they're gonna play. So we gotta get all that set up before everybody arrives. So we'll see what the deal is with that. I think I'm draining this battery, so I gotta get out of here. Thanks, guys. Okay, we've made it to the Ostrium, I think is what it's called. It's in near South, hold on, let me turn this off. It's loud as hell. It is in near Southside Fort Worth. That's just south of downtown. I think it's like a wedding venue or something. There's a couple of things with it that I saw online. I've never been here, but it's a fairly low ceiling. It's kind of a bigger venue, like wedding venue. I believe it's, you know, brick walls and hard floor, so it's gonna be really reflective and echoey, so that's gonna be a challenge. But right now we're early and all of our stuff's just piled by the door, so we're just waiting to get in. As soon as we are able to get in, we're gonna start setting up the PA system.
Alrighty.
So one thing that's cool about this place is that there is an overabundance of power, which is rare, so I'm just gonna enjoy that for a couple of seconds and then continue on setting up. It's kind of dark in here. The stage is not in the center of everything, so the speakers might look a little funny, but we're gonna do with it what we can. Woo! Is that ND filter all the way open?
It is all the way open, yeah.
We should probably just take it off.
I am dreading the projector.
Why?
Because I'm technology phobic? Is that a word?
Luddite? Yay. Ugh. These are new Chauvet flex stands.
So these don't have like those silver things on them like the other ones do?
No.
So they just go straight on the stand?
Yeah. It does. I'm just going over here. weigh him down with the 25-pound sandbags. Is that another train? Okay. Hey, check, 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 hey. Check, hey, hey. 1, 2, hey, hey. Going to whisker. Hey, check, 1, 2, hey, hey, 1, 2. Nice.
Or did we bring in both 50 foots?
Yeah, we did. We only have 2. We should probably buy a third one. We could use it tonight for the monitor wedge. I've got these really cool PowerCon boxes that I like to use. They're just drop boxes that take a PowerCon. Hey, 1, 2, check, check, hey, hey. No feedback. I've already done it. Hey, check, 1, 2. Now it's kind of getting there, but he's not going to need any of that. Hey, check. Okay. Chilling in the groomsmen's, what do you call it? The groom suite at the Morpheus Ostrium. It's nice to get a break. Probably just going to chill here till the artist arrives and we'll do a quick sound check, and that's kind of it. I think we're just gonna play music all night and someone's gonna start a bidding war, and that's kind of it. So we'll see you guys when the artist gets here. Yeah, you don't have to use my cable if you don't want to.
Oh, you brought one, dude. You
Yeah.
got me everything. You got everything.
Yeah.
In the depths of the night, when the world's long asleep, I can see a thing that I need to be. The dawn shines bright.
Honey, I want you to stay. Honey, I want you to stay. I want you to stay. Honey, I want you to stay. Honey, I want you to stay. I want you to stay. Honey, I want you to stay. I'm lost when you leave. Waiting to see what this could be.
Yeah, it's not gonna work. It's so wet outside that we can't push anything up our ramp. So it's been really difficult to do that, and we're working on a way to figure out how to get our back in our van. It's also like I'm in a divot or something. I think I'm like... We don't need to close it.
I didn't do that on purpose.
Huh?
I said noted.
Yeah. Just keep it as dry as we can.
I don't know. But I would imagine.
If anybody has a solution to fix wet ramps, please leave a comment down below, because that was a nightmare. Maybe it was my shoes that were so wet, but oh, that was pretty bad. Alright, I forgot to do an outro for the end of the video, so this is it. I just want to say thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe the videos. We're trying to make this channel as good as we can possibly do. Someone's starting to do their lawn, so I'm gonna get this van unpacked and ready for the next show. Thanks for watching, guys.